Using the website on the right, we can build requests to make DNS queries and view the result. The website will also show you the command you'd need to run on your own computer if you wish to make the request yourself. What is the CNAME of shop website? Okay. CNAME of shop subdomain is shop. Canonical name shops. myshopify.com. What is the value of the txt record of the website.com? We have the txt. Yes, that's it. Okay, we have this flag. Try hack me flag. What is the numerical priority value for the MX record? The same command is used with different DNS record for the website without using the subdomain. Email exchange 30. What is the IP address for the A record? That is the IPv4. IPv4 for, yes, dub, but I think it's the default. Even though I say dub, I think that's the default value that it's searching for. Yes. Actually, yes. Yes. Congratulations to the PBB. You've completed the room. Congratulations.